Maryanne Loving, Doctor of Chinese Medicine, and welcome to Loving Your Health. In this video, we're diving into the importance of protein for women over the age of 40 who want to lose weight and support their metabolism. So let's get started. As we age, maintaining our muscle mass becomes even more important for our metabolism, weight management, and overall health. Protein plays a crucial role in this process. It's the building blocks of our muscles, and without enough protein, our bodies can't build or maintain muscle mass effectively, leading to a slower metabolism and potential weight gain. Getting enough protein after the age of 40 is important for other aspects of our health as well. Protein supports hormone balance, which can help manage an array of symptoms associated with perimenopause and menopause. It also plays a vital role in bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and supports immune function, keeping you healthy and strong. Women over the age of 40 should aim to consume about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilo of body weight daily. So, for example, if you weigh 70 kilos, you should be aiming to consume between 84 to 126 grams of protein each day. This helps support muscle growth and repair, keeping your metabolism running efficiently and assisting in weight management. Most women don't consume nearly enough protein in their daily diets. Focus on getting protein in each meal from sources such as lean meats like chicken, turkey, fish, and eggs, plus plant-based options like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Also, dairy products like cottage cheese and Greek yogurt are a fantastic way to increase your protein intake. Eating enough protein not only helps you maintain and build muscle, but also keeps you feeling fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. It's a win-win situation. Combine your protein-rich diet with regular strength training sessions for even better results. Consistency is key, so aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions a week. If you would like more information, check out my video here to learn more about how building muscle mass helps with weight management. Weight management over the age of 40 can be a complex issue, and hormones can play a very important role. So if you'd like to learn more about how hormones affect weight management, you can visit my video to follow. And if you're getting value out of this content, please give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.